Engineering Machinery Webcast Auction, 20 August 2026. WH Auctioneers brings you an attorney-instructed engineering machinery auction with over 200 lots of seized, new and used engineering machinery going on auction. We are talking industrial lathes, milling machines, vertical boring mills, hydraulic press brakes, guillotines, massive hydraulic and eccentric presses, radial arm drills, band saws, iron workers and welding machines. Look out for the 320-ton Adira hydraulic press brake, 250-ton Benko hydraulic press, heavy-duty boring mills, machining equipment, and much more. It all goes on auction Thursday, 20 August at 10:30 a.m. online via Webcast. And want to see the machinery before you bid? Viewing is open 18th and 19th of August at 37 Lincoln Road, Benoni. Don't watch someone else win the machine that you need. Visit whauctions.com, register and get ready to bid.